Perfect White Smile in Beverly Hills. I'm here to present Dr. Sandra Hawley with a gorgeous, perfect white smile. She came to us years ago, and we're just so happy to see you. I know you travel. She's a medical doctor, and she's had a wonderful career and life, and now she's got a gorgeous smile.
Well, thanks to Dr. Frey, I do have a gorgeous smile. Years ago, I had an acute emergency with my TMJ and my jaw dropping. And I immediately went online and had seen his short video related to difficulty with TMJ. I called that evening and left a message. Didn't expect anything until that following Monday, because this is on a Friday when I was having dinner with friends. And immediately Annie, his office manager, responded, and so did Dr. Frey. And I came in on a Monday, had a consultation, and from there, I've been forever grateful because I had a number of symptoms that were going to be difficult as I aged. Now they've all disappeared.
That's incredible. I mean, tell me, like, think back to before you saw me, and what was your chief complaint? Like, what was the main problem with your TMJ?
Well, years before seeing you, I was complaining to my dentist of having a bite that was off, and everybody kept saying, no, it wasn't. And then I began to have shoulder pain and back pain. And I wasn't having any jaw pain, I wasn't having headaches, but I knew that there was something going on with the jawline. And actually, I had been researching who I was going to see, just to see if it were TMJ. And going out to dinner with these friends that evening, my mandible dropped and I had severe pain, and I manually replaced it that night. Couldn't eat, and that's when I went back home and made the calls because I had pulled up Dr. Frey's, was a YouTube, but it was an expose on the mechanics and the dynamics of TMJ.
Have you experienced that since you've seen me at all?
No, let me put it this way. I engaged Dr. Frey, immediately trusted him, took his book, and we scheduled my whole process and procedure. And it took us a minute because of my age, and also I did have some health issues. But it's been now, what, 5 years, 4 years? I can't remember. I am forever grateful, and I tell him and Andy that every time I come. So I don't have any trouble with chewing, with computer, no shoulder pain. I do wear my guards, and I'm just forever grateful.
I mean, it's a constant theme. I was telling you earlier.
Yeah.
I ask patients every day, how's your TMJ? And they tell me it's gone. It's a constant theme. So I know how to fix it. And I'm trained, I'm good at what I do, and it's a different approach than most doctors do. It's a structural functional approach, which means that if your joint is squished up in here or there's not enough room, we make room.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's not like I'm gonna put you on medication and tell you to stop the stress out of your life.
Yeah.
Because that's not the real reason of why the TMJ is happening. Yeah.
And Dr. Frey, invaluable is that video on your website. I'm not sure if it's on your new one, but
the old one.
The old one, because I understood some of the mechanics, and I couldn't convey it actually to anybody else. But when I watched that video, I knew you understood it. That was my drawing point.
It's a real cure, and once we fix it, it shouldn't come back.
Yeah.
So it's really, really incredible.
Well,
and I'm glad you had success.
Oh, thank you. I'm forever grateful. I am. I'll go into my 90s a happy person.